अवतार
मेहर
मेहर
बाबा
बाबा की
की
जय।
जय।
अवतार
मेहर
मेहर
बाबा
बाबा
की
की जय।
जय।
अवतार
और
मेहर
मेहर
बाबा
बाबा
की
की
जय.
जय।
Jai Baba folks, we have the New Jersey Bhajan group here to perform songs from their own homes. So, and we have here Shilpa, Jayashri, Vimla, and Sally, and myself, and a few more. Ah, yeah, Meher Kiran Reddy is here,
Jai Baba.
and all from New Jersey. So,
Akshay will join as
Akshay will
well.
join a few minutes after. At this time, I'll give it over to Sally for.
Will we have translations as well?
Yes, we will take turns singing.
And translations.
Yeah, translations, of course.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Welcome you all to this session, bhajan session. We are pleased to sing for beloved Baba, and we will start with 7 names of God, and after that we'll take turns. Hari Paramatma Allah Ahuramas God Yazdahu Hari Paramatma Allah Ahuramas God Yazdahu Hari Paramatma Allahu Ramas 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 God Yazdahu. Avtar Meher Baba ki jai. Okay. Next we will have Jayashri Garu. If you are ready with your first song, please go ahead. Please unmute. We can't hear you, Jayashri Garu. You have to unmute.
Won't you sit down?
I did. I think she's having trouble unmuting.
Auntie, can you unmute for her?
I tried to send her the request. I can ask her to unmute and she has to click on the yes button.
Okay.
Is there a way we can unmute her?
No, we can't. You have to.
Okay, Jayashri Garu, you can take the next turn maybe. Shilpa, why don't you go ahead with your first song? We'll come back to Jayashri Garu.
Okay, sounds good. Jai Meher Baba, everyone. I will be singing a Madhusudan song. It's called Khushiyon Mein Rahiyo. The meaning of this song goes as follows. Whether in happy moments or difficulties, keep taking Baba's name. Pleasures and pains come and go. Neither king nor pauper can be saved from these. Don't wander in this colorful world. Stay away from this world while living in it. No matter how much you take care of this body, after living 100 years, you have to leave this one day. Whether this life stays or goes, do not be afraid. Say the truth. You found the treasure of the truth. Spread the love where world awakens. Keep doing his work until the end of your life. Whether this is understood or not, keep saying this. The great and noble's meditations will go away. Nothing matters without Meher. Madhusudan's or Baba lover's world will turn around. keep singing the glory of Meher. Okay, so sorry, my throat's been kind of funny. I think it's allergies, so you'll excuse me if I keep having to clear it. Avatar Meher Baba ki jai. खुशियों में रहियो या विपदा में रहियो, खुशियों में रहियो या विपदा में रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो। खुशियों में रहियो या विपदा में रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो। सुख हो या दुख हो, आवे और जावे, राजा या रंक भी बचना ही पावे। सुख हो या दुख हो, आवे और जावे, राजा या रंक भी बचना ही पावे। दुनिया के मेले में भटक न जावे, दुनिया के मेले में भटक न जावे, दुनिया में रह कर ना दुनिया में रहियो, दुनिया में रह कर ना दुनिया में रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो। इस तन को कितना रखियो संभल के, इस तन को कितना रखियो संभल के, एक दिन तो तजना है 100 साल जी के, एक दिन तो तजना है 100 साल जी के। डरना नहीं सत्य कहना गरज के, डरना नहीं सत्य कहना गरज के, ये प्राण जहियो ये प्राण रहियो, ये प्राण जइयो ये प्राण रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो। तुझको मिला है रे सत का खजाना, तुझको मिला है रे सत का खजाना, फैला दे प्रेम जो जागे जमाना, फैला दे प्रेम जो जागे जमाना। ये काम करते जीवन मिटाना, ये काम करते जीवन मिटाना, समझे ना समझे कोई कहते रहियो, समझे ना समझे कोई कहते रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो। ज्ञानी और वीरों की निंदिया उड़ेगी, ज्ञानी और वीरों की निंदिया उड़ेगी, मेहर बिना नहीं बिगड़ी बनेगी, मेहर बिना नहीं बिगड़ी बनेगी। मधुसूदन सारी दुनिया झुकेगी, मधुसूदन सारी दुनिया झुकेगी, मेहर की महिमा को गाते ही रहियो, मेहर की महिमा को गाते ही रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो। खुशियों में रहियो या विपदा में रहियो, खुशियों में रहियो या विपदा में रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो रहियो, मेहर नाम लेते ही रहियो। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। Jai Baba.
Jai
Wow,
Baba.
that was
Jai
great.
Thank
Baba.
you for that beautiful Madhusudan bhajan. Let's move on to Jai Shri Garu. Let's see if you can unmute. Yeah, you're good. Okay,
Yeah,
you're
good.
go ahead.
Jai Baba all. Okay. Avatar Meher Baba ki Jai. And now I am going to sing Baba Bhajan, that is in Hindi written. It is written by Bauji. The theme of the song is, Baba, when you come into my thoughts, I forget the whole world. When you come into my thoughts, I forget the whole world. Then I find the path, and this path takes me to my destination because you are the path. You have occupied my heart and removed all my worries. When you yourself are taking me with you, why should I bother about these worldly matters? Jai Baba. ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम, ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम, आप ही आने लगे। ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम, आप ही आने लगे। ख्याल दुनिया के तभी से ख्याल से जाने लगे। ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम, ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम। जिंदगी ने राह पाई, राह खुद ही ले चली। जिंदगी ने राह पाई, राह खुद ही ले चली। क्योंकि तुम ही राह बनकर, क्योंकि तुम ही राह बनकर राह दिखलाने लगे। क्योंकि तुम ही राह बनकर राह दिखलाने लगे। ख्याल दुनिया के तभी से ख्याल से जाने लगे। ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम, ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम। अक्ल अपना बोझ लेके राह से हटने लगी। अक्ल अपना बोझ लेके राह से हटने लगी। और दिल में घर बनाकर, और दिल में घर बनाकर वास तुम पाने लगे। और दिल में घर बनाकर वास तुम पाने लगे। ख्याल दुनिया के तभी से ख्याल से जाने लगे। ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम, ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम। रीति कैसी, नीति कैसी, और कैसी धारणा। रीति कैसी, नीति कैसी, और कैसी धारणा। जब मेहर ही आप भाऊ, जब मेहर ही आप भाऊ साथ ले जाने लगे। जब मेहर ही आप भाऊ साथ ले जाने लगे। ख्याल दुनिया के तभी से ख्याल से जाने लगे। ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम, ख्याल में जब से मेहर तुम आप ही आने लगे, ख्याल दुनिया के तभी से ख्याल से जाने लगे, ख्याल से जाने लगे। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Wow, that's a beautiful song. Beautiful.
సెకండ్ పార్ట్ కూడా పాడినా ఇప్పుడే తర్వాత చల్లే.
Later, Jayashree.
Okay,
Next.
okay.
Very beautiful.
Thank you so
Salmon
much.
and-
That was a
Good.
beautiful Bhauji's song, as I could, hear from the song. Beautiful. Thank you so much. And next, let's have Vimala share her song. If you're ready, Vimala, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
So I'll be sharing a Madhusudan bhajan, and here is a brief translation. We offer salutations to you, O Lord Meher, the Eternal One, the Creator of the universe, the Destroyer of our sins, the divine ocean of peace and love. You are the form of unending bliss and love. You are the Savior and the most compassionate. O lovers of beloved Baba, keep chanting his name, and he will relieve you from your bondages and attachments. मेहर एकम मेहर नित्यम मेहर सत्यम सुंदरम मेहर एकम मेहर नित्यम मेहर सत्यम सुंदरम मेहर स्वामी सकलदामी मेहर स्वामी सकलदामी तं नमामि मेहरम मेहर एकम मेहर नित्यम मेहर सत्यम सुंदरम विश्वकर्ता सकल दाता दुरित हरता मेहरम पूर्ण शक्ति प्रेम मूर्ति पूर्ण शक्ति प्रेम मूर्ति दिव्य शांति सागरम मेहर एकम मेहर नित्यम मेहर सत्यम सुंदरम भक्तवत्सल सतत अविचल परम प्रेमल मेहरम स्वयं ज्ञानम पतित पावन स्वयं ज्ञानम पतित पावन दीनबंधु मेहरम मेहर एकम मेहर नित्यम मेहर सत्यम सुंदरम सहज दर्शन चरण स्पर्शन से हो परमानंदनम परम सुंदर अति दयालु परम सुंदर अति दयालु सत्कृपानिधि मेहरम मेहर एकम मेहर नित्यम मेहर सत्यम सुंदरम सतत जाके स्मरण ही से पुनीत हो बंधनम मुक्त होवे बंधनम मेहर एकम मेहर नित्यम मेहर सत्यम सुंदरम मेहर स्वामी सकल धामी मेहर स्वामी सकल धामी तम नमामि मेहरम मेहर एकम मेहर नित्यम मेहर सत्यम सुंदरम। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Beautiful, Vimala. Jai Baba. Beautiful Madhusudan bhajan. Thank you for
Wait, yeah.
singing that. Okay, and next, Akshay, if you are ready with your song, please go ahead. Jai Baba. Unmute, please, Akshay.
Sorry about that. Jai Baba, everyone.
Jai Baba.
Beautiful performances by everyone. So I'll also be singing a bhajan by Madhusudan ji, and this bhajan is called Dunya Walo Jago Re Jago, and the meaning of this bhajan is the writer is asking the world, in fact, to wake up because the Almighty has arrived. And he's also saying that, there's this going on in the world, that issue, this issue. So forget everything, just hold on to Baba's Daman. Now that he's here, hold on to Baba's Daman, and everything should be fine. So this is the gist of the song, and I'll be performing. Avatar Meher Baba Ki Jai. दुनिया वालों जागो रे जागो
बुंदेलू
दुनिया वालों
मारो बुंदेलू
जागो रे जागो आ गया वितार हो आ गया वितार आ गया वितार हो आ गया वितार दुनिया वालों जागो रे जागो दुनिया वालों जागो रे जागो आया है रे सुनो समय सुहाना ओ सुनो समय सुहाना आया है रे सुनो समय सुहाना ओ सुनो समय सुहाना क्षीर सागर से हुआ प्रभु का आना हो हुआ प्रभु का आना सुख शांति काले संदेशा सुख शांति काले संदेशा आ गए सरकार हो आ गया वितार आ गया वितार हो आ गया वितार दुनिया वालों जागो रे जागो दुनिया वालों जागो रे जागो दुख सागर में डूबी दुनिया सारी हो डूबी दुनिया सारी दुख सागर में डूबी दुनिया सारी हो डूबी दुनिया सारी धूम मची है इधर उधर क्या भारी हो इधर उधर क्या भारी इस हालत से बचाने वाला इस हालत से बचाने वाला आ गए करतार हो आ गया वितार आ गया वितार हो आ गया वितार दुनिया वालों जागो रे जागो दुनिया वालों जागो रे जागो बहुत कठिन है उनको समझना प्यारे, हो उनको समझना प्यारे। बहुत कठिन है उनको समझना प्यारे, हो उनको समझना प्यारे। इसे चाहिए पिछले भाग हमारे, हो पिछले भाग हमारे। इसे चाहिए पिछले भाग हमारे, हो पिछले भाग हमारे। मधुसूदन तुम रहियो सबर के, मधुसूदन तुम रहियो सबर के। धर ली जो मैहार हो, आ गया वितार, आ गया वितार हो, आ गया वितार। दुनिया वालों जागो रे जागो, हो दुनिया वालों जागो रे जागो। आ गया वितार हो, आ गया वितार, आ गया वितार हो, आ गया वितार, आ गया वितार। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Thank you, Akshay, for that beautiful Madhusudan bhajan. Jai Baba. Okay. Next, Kiran, if you are ready, please go ahead with your song. Jai Baba. Unmute, please. Okay.
Jai Baba, everyone. Akshay, I enjoyed the bhajan, like really, really beautiful, beautiful bhajan.
Thank you.
It gave me the it took me back to the days in Mehrabad when little kids used to dance for this song. Um, in one of the Amar Siddhi, I remember kids singing and dancing for this song. So beautiful.
Yes, even I
Beautiful
saw
bhajans,
that.
everyone. Jayasri Garu,
Even I saw,
Shilpa, Vimla, everyone. Beautiful singing.
I saw the song playing that in Mehrabad,
Yeah.
Amartidi time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today I'm going to share my dad's two favorite songs, which he used to ask me and my sister to sing again and again for him. The summary of the song goes like this. Oh Baba, bless me that I always talk about you, sing about you, to be at your feet all the time. Baba, bless me that I always see your image in my heart, to immerse in your love. Bless me that all my ego go away and feel your love in that place. And I have to share that pure love with everyone. Bless me, oh dear Baba.
That your father wrote that? Your father wrote that?
No, but he used to sing that song along with all of us every time. Yeah, that's his favorite song.
Nice.
ఆశీర్వదించు 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 నీ మాటనే నేను చెప్పాలని నీ పాటని నేను పాడాలని నీ మాటని నేను చెప్పాలని నీ పాటని నేను పాడాలని నీ సేవలోనే తరించాలని నీ పాదముల చెంత వరగాలని ఆశీర్వదించు 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 నీ నామమే ఎప్పుడు పలకాలని నీ రూపం నీ రూపమే ఎప్పుడు తలచాలని నీ నామమే ఎప్పుడు పలకాలని నీ రూపమే ఎప్పుడు తలచాలని నీ ప్రేమలో నేను మునగాలని నీ కోసమే నేను బ్రతకాలని ఆశీర్వదించు 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 నాలోని అహమంత అణగాలని నీ ప్రేమయే నాలో పెరగాలని నాలోని అహమంత అణగాలని నీ ప్రేమయే నాలో పెరగాలని 10 మందికి పంచి పెట్టాలని ఆనందమే నేను పొందాలని ఆశీర్వదించు 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 अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. I'm so sorry. I thought I'm ready to sing it without getting emotional, but couldn't. I'm so sorry.
That is very natural.
So
Kiran,
sweet.
so
That was
sweet.
that
Yeah.
was straight from your heart for your for beloved Baba and in remembrance of your dear father. Actually, Kiran's father recently went to beloved Baba, so we can totally understand. But it was a beautiful offering. Thank you so much, Kiran. Jai Baba.
Thank you all, Jai Baba.
Very touching, very touching.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Okay. Next, I'm going to share a Madhusudan bhajan as well. This is more like in ghazal form. And as you all know, Madhusudan has written beautiful songs for beloved Baba. This one is called Ik Guzarish Hai. And the word Guzarish means request. So, in this beautiful song, poet and songwriter Madhusudan says, I have only one request for all Baba lovers. He says, take beloved Baba's name at all times. We are all caught up in our worldly affairs, but Baba, help us to remember your name all the time, always. Amidst all challenges that life brings forth, try not to forget Meher Baba. Whatever situation you are in, never forget to take Baba's name. I'm going to turn. एक गुजारिश है बस इतना कीजिए एक गुजारिश है बस इतना कीजिए नाम मेहर का हमेशा लीजिए नाम मेहर का हमेशा लीजिए गुमशुदा करता है सारा कारवां जब कभी फुर्सत हो मेहर बोलिए, एक गुजारिश है। खुद को कर दो भीड़ से भी तुम जुदा, और तन्हाई में मेहर पाइए, एक गुजारिश है। जिंदगी में मुश्किलें हैं हर कदम, आप अपने को मेहर पर छोड़िए, एक गुजारिश है। बस इतना कीजिए, नाम मेहर का हमेशा लीजिए। कोई इसको एक पागलपन कहे, आप अपनी राह को ना छोड़िए, एक गुजारिश है। देखना हो गर हकीकत तो सुनो, मेरी आँखों से नजारा देखिए, एक गुजारिश है। हाँ मधुसूदन या प्रेमी जन कहो, नाम मेहर का मगर मत भूलिए, एक गुजारिश है। बस इतना कीजिए, नाम मेहर का हमेशा लीजिए। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। जय बाबा। Next we will have Shilpa share her next song, second song, Jai Baba Shilpa, if you are ready.
Yep. Jai Baba. Beautiful song, Auntie.
Jai Baba.
That's a great song, and one of the verses for which the meaning goes that the world may ridicule you, but don't leave the path of truth. And and one more is that he says, see the world through the eyes of eyes of God. So that's beautiful two verses.
Jai Baba. Okay, Shilpa, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll be singing Pratap Ji's song. It's Kal Ko Tu Chhod Chal. I did the best to translate, so if I'm off a little bit, I give it to Baba. So basically, the song talks about leaving the past and the future. Let's not worry about the future. Take Meher's name every minute and sing his name. Life is only for a few days, so why do we make such a fuss? Why fight with one another and hurt someone's heart? Speak sweetly and keep a smile on your face, and then spread love. Insert Meher into every cell of your body and take on the pain of those who are hurting. Sing happily the name of Meher and spread the name of Meher. Why do we get excited with our own pride? Meher has lifted you up. So why do you spread yourself, thin? Pratap says, by your mercy, you will not wander, or by Meher's mercy, you will not wander. Sing the name of Meher with every minute of the day. So if I'm off a little bit, I think those who know the language can correct it later. All right. अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। कल को तू छोड़ चल, आज को पकड़ चल, कल की फिक्र में न जा, पल पल चिन चिन नाम लिए गिन गिन मेहर गाता जा। कल को तू छोड़ चल आज को पकड़ चल, कल की फिक्र में न जा। पल पल चिन चिन नाम लिए गिन गिन मेहर गाता जा। आ आ चार दिनों की जीवन फिर भी काहे शोर मचाए, काहे शोर मचाए। आपस में ही लड़ गई किसकी, काहे दिल को दुखाए, काहे दिल को दुखाए। मीठी मीठी बातें कर, मीठी मीठी बातें कर, हंस रहे मुख पर प्रीत बढ़ाता जा। पल पल छिन छिन नाम लिए गिन गिन मेहर गाता जा। आ अपने तन की रग रग में तू मेहर प्रेम समाले, मेहर प्रेम समाले। चाहे वो दुख दर्द किसी का, तू अपना बना, तू अपना ही बना ले, तू अपना ही बना ले। खुशी खुशी गाए जा, खुशी खुशी गाए जा, हंसते हंसाए जा, प्यार लुटाता जा। पल पल छिन छिन नाम लिए गिन गिन मेहर गाता जा। आ अपने शान में रह कर अब तो काहे को इतराए, काहे को इतराए। मेहर प्रभु ने तुझे उभारा, ये काहे बिसराए, ये काहे बिसराए। कहते
Shilpa, we can't hear you. It's kind of like you're frozen.
Ask if everybody is.
Is everybody able to hear Shilpa?
No.
No, we can't.
Okay. Yeah, looks like
She has some
some
issues. with her
connectivity issues. Yeah. Did we lose her? Oh, okay. Shilpa, you kind of we lost you towards the end of the song. We couldn't hear you.
sorry, I think it kicked me out all of a sudden.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, no, somehow Zoom kicked me out. I don't know what happened there. Anyway, Jai Baba.
Oh, okay. Jai Baba. But your
I
translation
think
was
my
beautiful.
internet connection is unstable. That's why.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but the translation of the song was on point, Shilpa. Beautiful. Thank you for bringing Pratap Ji's song to this session. Jai Baba.
Yeah, sorry. I think there's some instability with my internet connection, so it kicked me out, but that's all right.
It was a lovely song, Shirpa. Boy.
Only
I think
last
Baba said
stanza.
enough.
Only last
You're
few
done.
lines, I think. Last few lines you can, if you want,
Yeah.
repeat.
Okay.
That's okay. We'll give somebody else a turn.
Okay,
Jai
next
Baba.
up, Jai Shri Garu, your second song, please. Go ahead, Jai Baba.
Okay. I'm also in the basement. Let me see that it will come. Is it okay? My voice is okay.
Yeah, we can hear you. Yeah.
I think your connection is better than mine.
Luckily, it
We're in
came
the
to
same
basement.
house. One is upstairs, one is downstairs.
Yeah. Okay. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
I am going to sing Madhusudan Ghazal again. Today, I think most of us are singing Madhusudan Ghazals. The song shows the way to become one with God, our beloved Meher Baba. It asks you to give up materialistic urges, greed, and lust. The world is a web of Maya. Don't get entangled in that. Follow the true path of your life and perform your duties. Sing in praise of our beloved Meher Baba. Spread love and enjoy eternal happiness. Finally, to remember, always be happy and share your happiness with others. Jai Baba. जीवन के संघर्ष में तड़पन है दिन रे मेहर सुमिरन के बिना नहीं पाओगे चैन। तो गाइए सब गाइए मेहर के गुण गाइए, गाइए सब गाइए मेहर के गुण गाइए। जग से मुँह ना मोड़िए, जग से मुँह ना मोड़िए, पर उसमें ना खोइए, पर उसमें ना खोइए। मोह वासना त्यागिए, मोह वासना त्यागिए। निजी कामना छोड़िए, निजी कामना छोड़िए। हंसते रहिए सबसे मिलिए, हंसते रहिए सबसे मिलिए और जय बाबा बोलिए। गाइए सब गाइए मेहर के गुण गाइए, गाइए सब गाइए मेहर के गुण गाइए। संचय उतना कीजिए, संचय उतना कीजिए, लालच में ना खोइए, लालच में ना खोइए। जीवन पथ पर जाइए, जीवन पथ पर जाइए। मेहर सुमिरन कीजिए, मेहर सुमिरन कीजिए। प्यार दीजिए, प्यार लीजिए, प्यार दीजिए, प्यार लीजिए और जय बाबा बोलिए। गाइए सब गाइए मेहर के गुण गाइए, गाइए सब गाइए मेहर के गुण गाइए। बर्म पटल को तोड़िए, बर्म पटल को तोड़िए, शाश्वत जीवन पाइए, शाश्वत जीवन पाइए। सत्य ज्ञान अपनाइए, सत्य ज्ञान अपनाइए। परमानंदन पाइए, परमानंदन पाइए। मधुसूदन बस मेहर गाइए, मधुसूदन बस मेहर गाइए और जय बाबा बोलिए। गाइए सब गाइए मेहर के गुण गाइए, गाइए सब गाइए मेहर के गुण गाइए। मेहर मेहर गाइए, 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 मेहर मेहर गाइए। हंसते रहिए, सबसे मिलिए, हंसते रहिए, सबसे मिलिए, और जय बाबा बोलिए, गाइए सब गाइए, मेहर के गुण गाइए, गाइए सब गाइए, मेहर के गुण गाइए, मेहर के गुण गाइए। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। जय बाबा।
Jai Baba. Another beautiful Madhusudan bhajan. So today is a Madhusudan bhajan feast. Jai Baba. Beautiful. Thank you, Jai Shri Garu. And next we will have Vimala share her second song. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Now I'll be singing a Telugu song. This song describes the mesmerizing beauty of Meher Baba. The writer is Balagopala Bhaskar Raju Garu. And he says, "Who is this Meher Baba? How beautiful is he? There is no one like him, no one as beautiful as him. His beauty is so intoxicating and it captivates everyone. His beauty is ethereal. He penetrates our heart and fills it with love. His smile dispels all our doubts and worries. He is the Lord of all the 14 worlds, who has come not to teach but to awaken. He is the one called as Parvardigar by Shirdi Sai and as the highest of the high by all the masters." ఎవరి మెహరు బాబా ఎంతందగాడో ఎంతందగాడో ఎవరి మెహరు బాబా ఎంతందగాడో ఎంతందగాడో అవని ఈతని సాటి అందగాడున్నాడా అవని ఈతని సాటి అందగాడున్నాడా ఎవరి మెహరు బాబా ఎంతందగాడో ఎంతందగాడో ఎన్నడూ కనలేదే ఈ దివ్య సౌందర్యం పున్నమి చంద్రుడు చిన్నబోతాడేమో ఆ ఎన్నడూ కనలేదే ఈ దివ్య సౌందర్యం పున్నమి చంద్రుడు చిన్నబోతాడేమో మగవారలే ప్రేమ మత్తులో పడుచుండ మగవారలే ప్రేమ మత్తులో పడుచుండ మగువలు ఇంకెంత రాగమయులవుతారు ఎవరి మెహరు బాబా ఎంతందగాడో ఎంతందగాడో భూలోకవాసుడా భువనైక సుందరుడు ఏ లోకమున నుండి ఈడకాలిడినాడు ఆ భూలోకవాసుడా భువనైక సుందరుడు ఏ లోకమున నుండి ఈడకాలిడినాడు గుండె లోతుల నుండి గురి పెట్టి చూస్తాడు గుండె లోతుల నుండి గురి పెట్టి చూస్తాడు గుండె నిండా ప్రేమ గుమ్మరించేస్తాడు ఎవరి మెహరు బాబా ఎంతందగాడో ఎంతందగాడో చీకటి చింతలను చెదరగొట్టి నవ్వు చేరుకుందామన్నా చేరలేని దవ్వు ఆ చీకటి చింతలను చెదరగొట్టి నవ్వు చేరుకుందామన్నా చేరలేని దవ్వు కరుణా కటాక్షముతో వరమివ్వగల ప్రభువు కరుణా కటాక్షముతో వరమివ్వగల ప్రభువు పరులున్న దేహములో పదమైన మోపడు ఎవరి మెహరు బాబా ఎంతందగాడో ఎంతందగాడో 14 లోకముల ప్రభువు నేనంటాడు వేదాంతి వలె తాను బోధించనంటాడు ఆ 14 లోకముల ప్రభువు నేనంటాడు వేదాంతి వలె తాను బోధించనంటాడు పరవర్దిగారని షిరిడి సాయి సూక్తి పరవర్దిగారని షిరిడి సాయి సూక్తి పరబ్రహ్మమేనని పరమ గురువుల సూక్తి ఎవరి మెహరు బాబా ఎంతందగాడో ఎంతందగాడో అవని ఈతని సాటి అందగాడున్నాడ అవని ఈతని సాటి అందగాడున్నాడ ఎవరి మెహరు బాబా ఎంతందగాడో ఎంతందగాడో అవతార్ మెహర్ బాబా की जय
Beautiful song, Vimala. Thank you so much. Indeed, it describes the mesmerizing beauty of beloved Baba. Thank you so much. And moving on, we have Akshay next. Akshay, if you're ready with your second song, go ahead.
Jai Baba. Just give me a second. Sorry, my Zoom was behaving really weirdly, so I had to kind of join from my phone. Okay, so the next song that I'll be singing, the song is called Hum Baba Premi. This is a very special song to me because this is my very first song that I had written when I was hardly probably 12 years old. So it might also sound very childish. The lyrics might sound a little bit childish, but there's a lot of love in this. I hope you all like it. So the meaning of I'll try to translate this for you all. It says that Meher Baba, you are the sweetest of them all. You are my father, you are my mother. And we, the Baba lovers, we will take your name and we'll take your messages to the world. And all together we'll do that. And then probably one day the entire world will believe in you and praise you as the Almighty. It also says that you were Ram, you were Krishna, you were all the other avatars, and this time you are Meherwan, and we firmly believe in you. And and we all will sit together. We'll chant your name. We'll pray. We'll sing the aartis together, and we'll probably get a really sweet reward at the end of the day. So I hope you all like it. Jai Baba. ओ मेरे मेहर बाबा सबसे प्यारे हो तुम मेरे माता मेरे ही पिता है मेरे मेहर बाबा हम बाबा प्रेमी हम मेहर प्रेमी हम बाबा प्रेमी हम मेहर प्रेमी ओ मेरे मेहर बाबा सबसे प्यारे हो तुम, मेरे माता मेरे ही पिता, है मेरे मेहर बाबा, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी। सब मिलकर ध्याएंगे मेहर का ही नाम, मिलेगा हमको मीठा फल इस काम के बाद। सब मिलकर ध्याएंगे मेहर का ही नाम, मिलेगा हमको मीठा फल इस काम के बाद। सबसे मीठा सबसे प्यारा मेहर नाम, सबसे मीठा सबसे प्यारा मेहर नाम, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी। हम बाबा प्रेमी फैलाए आपका नाम, इस जग के हर कण कण में जो है अनजान। हम बाबा प्रेमी फैलाए आपका नाम, इस जग के हर कण कण में जो है अनजान। हर कोई जानेगा फिर मेहर यह नाम, हर कोई जानेगा फिर मेहर यह नाम। हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी। ओ मेरे मेहर बाबा, सबसे प्यारे हो तुम, मेरे माता मेरे ही पिता, है मेरे मेहर बाबा, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी। राम कृष्ण मोहम्मद पैगंबर आपका नाम, इस युग के अवतार है मेहरबान। राम कृष्ण मोहम्मद पैगंबर आपका नाम, इस युग के अवतार है मेहरबान। कहता मेहर अक्षय लो तुम मेहर नाम, कहता मेहर अक्षय लो तुम मेहर नाम। हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी। ओ मेरे मेहर बाबा, सबसे प्यारे हो तुम, मेरे माता मेरे ही पिता, है मेरे मेहर बाबा, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी, हम बाबा प्रेमी, हम मेहर प्रेमी। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
Jai Baba. Beautiful song, Akshay. You are so talented. Such a beautiful
Thank you.
songwriter you are. Thank you for sharing that. And we thank our supporters here, Betty, Marzipan, Marsha, Diana, and Marilyn. Thank you for joining in Zoom today and supporting us. And we will finish up with our last two songs. We will have Kiran go next, and after that, I'll finish off with the final song. So, Kiran, if you are ready with your second song, please go ahead.
Yes, Shailaja.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Yeah, I'm going to share another Telugu song. So the summary of the song goes like this. Let's all leave our worries and be happy and keep singing Jai Jai Meher Baba. No need to do any rituals in the name of puja. No need to learn any Vedas or Shastras. No need to take many forms of God when you have just Baba's presence in you all the time. No need to differ from each other. Keep singing and keep serving Baba with your whole heart. Um, just keep singing Jai Jai Meher Baba. That's how the song goes. It is made in the tune of a familiar movie, Telugu movie song from 80s. I hope I won't mess it up this time. Jai Baba. అంతా అతని ఇచ్చకు వదిలి హాయిగుందాము జై జై అంటూ జై మెహరంటూ పాడుకుందాము బాబా బాబా మెహర్ బాబా అంతా అతని ఇచ్చకు వదిలి హాయిగుందాము జై జై అంటూ జై మెహరంటూ పాడుకుందాము బాబా బాబా మెహర్ బాబా నీనా భేదాలు రానేలా నానా రూపాల సేవేలా నీనా భేదాలు రానేలా నానా రూపాల సేవేలా వేదాలు శాస్త్రాలు వేదాలు శాస్త్రాలు నియమానిష్టల పాట్లీల అంతా అతని ఇచ్చకు వదిలి హాయిగుందాము జై జై అంటూ జై మెహరంటూ పాడుకుందాము బాబా బాబా మెహర్ బాబా పూజా ద్రవ్యాల పాతేలా తాజా కుసుమాల వేటేలా పూజా ద్రవ్యాల పాతేలా తాజా కుసుమాల వేటేలా స్మరించి సేవించి స్మరించి సేవించి ప్రేమను పొంది తరించుదాము అంతా అతని ఇచ్చకు వదిలి హాయిగుందాము జై జై అంటూ జై మెహరంటూ పాడుకుందాము బాబా బాబా మెహర్ బాబా 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 మెహర్ బాబా జై బాబా
Jai Baba, Kiran. That was a beautiful song. Thank you for that.
థ్యాంక్ యూ జై బాబా
Jai Baba. Okay, and this is our final song. This is another beautiful Madhusudan bhajan. Hriday mein Prabhu ji aa jana. The Hindi word Hriday means heart, saying, Baba, please come into my heart. So here in this song, Madhusudan says, O Meher, our lifeboat is drifting and it's amidst is amidst midstream. You need to come and rescue us. Come reside in our hearts, O Meher. We are in the clutches of Maya and ignorance. Please come and help us get freedom from this ignorance. We have come to your doorstep and are imploring you to bless us and enlighten us. You have to come, O Lord, and save us, yet once again. Come down as the avatar and take care of your lovers. Jai Baba. मेहर की लगाई रट हमने हृदय में प्रभु जी आ जाना। मझधार में नैया है हमरी, साहिल पे लगाने आ जाना। मेहर की लगाई रट हमने हृदय में प्रभु जी आ जाना। मझधार में नैया है हमरी, साहिल पे लगाने आ जाना। आज माया ने सबको है घेरा, चाहिए एक तेरा सहारा। आज माया ने सबको है घेरा, चाहिए एक तेरा सहारा। मदमोह भरे इस जीवन में, मदमोह भरे इस जीवन में, सत प्रेम जगाने आ जाना। हृदय में प्रभु जी आ जाना। हर की लगाई रट हमने हृदय में प्रभु जी आ जाना। फैला अज्ञान का अंधियारा, कर दे जीवन में सबके उजारा। फैला अज्ञान का अंधियारा, कर दे जीवन में सबके उजारा। इस झूठ कपट के जालों से, इस झूठ कपट के जालों से बंदों को छुड़ाने आ जाना। हृदय में प्रभु जी आ जाना। मेहर की लगाई रट हमने हृदय में प्रभु जी आ जाना। तेरे चौखट पे आके खड़े हैं, कुछ ना कुछ दिल में अरमा लिए हैं। तेरे चौखट पे आके खड़े हैं, कुछ ना कुछ दिल में अरमा लिए हैं। किसे कुछ होना, किसे कुछ होना, किसे तू होना, अब आ जाना, अब आ जाना, अब आ जाना। मैं प्रभु जी आ जाना। मेहर की लगाई रट हमने हृदय में प्रभु जी आ जाना। तुझे आना है, आना ही होगा, प्रेमियों को बचाना ही होगा। तुझे आना है, आना ही होगा, प्रेमियों को बचाना ही होगा। मधुसूदन तब तो आन रहे, मधुसूदन तब तो आन रहे, अब आ जाना, अब आ जाना। हृदय में प्रभु जी आ जाना। मेहर की लगाई रट हमने हृदय में प्रभु जी आ जाना। मझधार में नैया है हमरी, साहिल पे लगाने आ जाना। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। Jai Baba. So that concludes our bhajan session here. Thank you all for joining and listening in. We appreciate your participation. Jai Baba.
Thank you, Sally. Thank you all. That was a real treat. A little bit of India.
It's wonderful. Thank you to all.
Thank you. Thank you.
All of your
Yeah.
music.